I think the first thing I wanted to say this morning to all of you is to begin by recognising the incredible job that central teams have done in the last 12 months, 18 months. The University of Nottingham has published a study in the last few weeks, which has demonstrated quite clearly the impact that central teams have made, central teams in trusts have made to leaders, to head teachers, to teachers themselves, to pupils and to communities. And I think it's really positive to see that recognised in the research report from Nottingham. At a time when head teachers and schools needed timely advice, expert advice on areas such as HR, on technology, on site management, on health and safety, they weren't alone in trusts, because in most trusts, because they had access to these expert people at the centre who were quite proximate to them, who were their colleagues, who were on the end of the phone or able to come in and provide that support. And really encouraging to see that recognised, that the head teacher role and the school leader role during the last 18 months in trusts has not been as lonely it has been for many head teachers, because of the support you've provided as central teams, the expert support and advice that you've provided. The report also recognised the power of collaboration across trusts, and the fact that heads and school leaders were not only served by expert practitioners in the centre and across those operational areas, but also had the support of one another through the networks and the collaboration that you at the centre helped to cultivate and support. And I think, again, we can't underestimate the power of people working together during times of extreme crisis, even if it's just to talk, but more importantly, if they're able to share resources, experiences and advice.